Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your VIVO X300 Pro isn't detecting your SIM card. First of all, remove the protective case from your device and try to remove your SIM card. Let me carefully remove the case. And now to remove your SIM card, use a pin like this. Carefully insert it into this hole and slightly push it inside to open it. Now remove your SIM card slot from the phone. Make sure that your SIM card sits like this, and also use a dry microfiber piece of cloth or just a dry piece of cloth to carefully wipe the surface of your SIM card to clean the contacts on it. Because some dust and small particles may interfere with how your phone reads your SIM card. So once it's clean, you can also use a very soft, delicate brush for it, but I like use a very soft brush, not to not damage any contacts. Then insert your SIM card into the SIM card slot and then insert the slot back into your phone. And check if your phone started detecting your SIM card. So go to settings, go to mobile network and see if your phone sees that SIM card inserted into it. Then you can also, if your phone didn't detect the SIM card, check if it's not the problem of the SIM card itself. Try to insert it into another phone and see if another phone sees it. And if another phone can see your SIM card, then it's definitely something about your device. In such case, first open a system update menu and check if your device has any available updates. Of course, in order to check for it, you're gonna have to be connected to the network, for example using Wi-Fi on your phone. And if you do have any updates for your device, then take your time to download and install them. And in case this didn't help you, you can go to System Management, Reset Network Settings, and then either click Reset right away, or if you are using an eSIM instead of a regular SIM, and also tap the checkbox next to Erase eSIM, and then tap Reset, and you're gonna have to set up your eSIM once again on your device. So just tap Reset, and once you reset all the settings, your phone should be able to detect your SIM card. And if it's not, then surely contact your carrier to check your data plan and check if your SIM card isn't deactivated, and maybe there is some other kind of issue with your SIM card. But these are all the troubleshooting steps for this video. So I'm glad you watched it until now, and if it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.